Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to share some important details on how to use the correct camera angles for each and every scene. We are not professional directors. For each and every scene, we are not sure which camera angle we should use. Okay, so what we can do is we can take the assistance from ChatGPT here. We can take the assistance from ChatGPT on which camera angle we should use for which scene. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll go to ChatGPT and I'm going to say I am creating scenes for my AI video. I have several camera angles options in AI video generation tool. Please recommend right camera angle for the scenes below. So what we are doing is we are asking ChatGPT to recommend us or advise us on which camera angle that we need to use for each and every scene. Now what we are going to do is we are going back to the main document. So these are all the scenes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all the scenes. See, I'm copying all my 5 scenes. Okay, copy it. Go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to say here are the scenes. Paste all the scenes here. Okay. Now in the end, what I'm going to say is here are the camera angles available, and I'm going to copy all the camera angles here. Okay, all the camera angles, copy and paste in ChatGPT. So what we have done, we are asking ChatGPT to recommend us camera angles for each and every scene. So we have given all the scenes to ChatGPT and we have also given all the camera angles that are available in AI video generation tool. Please recommend right angles for these scenes. Hit enter. Let's see how it goes. Great question. The choice of camera angles here is the key to making each scene visually dynamic. So for first scene, it is debut. We have used debut correctly. Okay. The second scene, it is right circling or left circling. For scene 3, confidence, which is freedom. Scene 4, downward tilt. Scene 5, scenic shot. So this way, ChatGPT is helping us to, mention the right camera angle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all this, go back to the master document where we have all the data, important data. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So this way you have to keep all the details ready before you create the scenes. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.